Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to increase your Google Chrome download speed on your Windows computer. Go to search menu guys and type Chrome. Open it. Go to three dot icon and go to settings. First thing you want to go to privacy and security. Go to security tab over here. Safe browsing protection and security settings. Want to enable two of these guys. Want to enable enhanced protection. It will increase your download speed guys. Click on it and want to scroll down. Allow use secure connection. Upgrade navigation to HTTPS. You want to enable this guys and go back, and you want to enable one more thing guys, cookies and other site data. Open it. Want to scroll down. Send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. Enable it guys. You want to enable it. Confirm. That is enabled. Close out of here. Now go to search menu and type internet. Internet option. In here you want to go to connection tab. Local area network LAN setting. Want to go on, click on LAN setting, and here you want to automatically detect settings. Want to enable this automatically detect setting. Click OK. Okay, that's it guys. You should good to go guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful. Thanks for watching my video.